Speak Cebuano with confidence. Learn more and practice with me. Hello, my buntay. Welcome to I Speak Cebuano with Luna. In a previous video, we learned how to say there is, there are, there is no, there are no, something in Cebuano. Today, we're going to learn how to say I have, I don't have, she has, she doesn't have, and more in Cebuano. To say have or has in Cebuano, we say naa or aduna without the letter Y at the end. We have learned in the previous video that the word naay and adunay with letter Y at the end are the equivalents of there is and there are in the English language. Again, to say has or have in Cebuano, we say naa or aduna. We say, I have, naakoy, naakoy, or adunakoy, adunakoy. We have, naami, naami, or adunami, adunami. We can also say naatay, naatay, or adunatay, adunatay. They have. Naa silay, naa silay, or aduna silay, aduna silay. She has, he has, it has. We say naa siyay, naa siyay, or aduna siyay, aduna siyay. You have naakay, naakay, or adunakay, adunakay. Koy, kay, me, and tay are short forms of the word ako, ikaw, kami, and kita. Therefore, we can say naa ko'y kwarta, naa ko'y kwarta, or naa ako'y kwarta, naa ako'y kwarta. However, the first one sounds more conversational and more informal. This is more commonly used than the second one. For silay and siyay, they don't have short forms. Please note that the yi sound at the end of these pronouns are there to make the phrase flow more smoothly. Without it, these words can sound abrupt or awkward in the sentence. Let's see how these words fit in a sentence. We say naa or aduna plus pronoun plus object. We say, I have a dog. Naa ko'y iro. Naa ko'y iro. Or, aduna ko'y iro. Aduna ko'y iro. You have a cat. Naa kay iring. Naa kay iring. Or, aduna kay iring. Aduna kay iring. We have a problem. Naami problema. Naami problema. Or, adunami problema. Adunami problema. We can also say, naatay problema. Naatay problema. Or, adunatay problema. Adunatay problema. They have a big house. Naa silay dakong balay. Naa silay dakong balay. Or, aduna silay dakong balay. Aduna silay dakong balay. He or she has cats. Naa siyay mga iring. Naa siyay mga iring. Or, aduna siyay mga iring. Aduna siyay mga iring. Doesn't have and don't have. To say someone doesn't possess something, we say wala plus pronoun plus object. For example, I don't have money. Wala ko'y kwarta. Wala ko'y kwarta. You don't have problems. Wala kay mga problema. Wala kay mga problema. He or she doesn't have friends. Wala siya'y mga higala. Wala siya'y mga higala. It doesn't have an owner. Wala siya'y tag-iya. Wala siya'y tag-iya. They don't have phones. Wala sila'y mga cellphone. Wala sila'y mga cellphone. We don't have work today. Wala mi trabaho karon. Wala mi trabaho karon. Or, wala tay trabaho karon. Wala tay trabaho karon. Me or tay. These words means we or us in English, but they are used differently in Cebuano. In Cebuano, the meaning of these words varies depending on whether the speaker includes the listener in the group being referred to. Me or kami refers to we or us, excluding the listener. We, excluding you. Tay or kita refers to we or us and includes the listener. We, including you. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more learning content. And this is Luna from I Speak Cebuano with Luna. Hanggang sa sunod!